YouTube kasi I'm not feeling well. So, balik na naman tayo. Early morning, guys. Nanggaling yung asawa ko dito sa nagbukas na very popular bakery. Diyos ko. Tingnan nyo, dinadala sa akin ito everyday. Well, sorry, not everyday, but mostly like everyday. Pagising ko, ayan, meron na kaagad ganyan. Tapos, ito pa. Tingnan nyo, guys. Look at this. He bought me my escargot because there's a famous bakery that opened here in Basindin. The Last Crumb, I think that's the name. So, the last couple of days he's been bringing me all this pastry. My goodness. And then he bought some peanut cake. Look at the meringue. My God, deliriously crazy. Deliriously crazy. Ang sarap-sarap niya talaga, guys. Hindi sila mura, no? Hindi sila mura. Sa isang piece na ganito, $10 halos. Ewan ko kung magkano binayaran niya rito. Eh, kahapon lang, kabibili ko lang ng muffin. My God! How can I lose weight when I have all this? Oh my goodness. Ayan, palakad kami. Papunta kami sa bird shop kasi bumili ako ng cage yesterday at sabi ko, hindi na tayo maglalagay ng another budgies. So, titingin daw kami ng canaries. The past few days, guys, it's been raining. I love it when it rains. Yung daughter ko, she has a tin roof. So, when it rains, you can hear the rain. And I love it. I was at her house the last couple of days. Our house has got a tile roofing. So, when it rains, you can't really hear the rain. So, anyway, I think it's gonna be a nice day today. So, we're gonna look at some birds. Welcome to Swan Valley Birds. This is in Midland, guys. So if you're looking to buy a birds, we normally come here. They got, see? You can see it there already. Ito yung weirdos, guys. Gusto kong magkaroon nito because this one you can teach them to talk. Yan o, yung weirdos. You can teach them to talk. Special daw yung lovebirds. There they are. Look at all of them. Hello. Hello. May mga pigeons din sila. Oh. Barney. My name is Barney. Stand back. I bite. That's what it says. Here are the canaries. All this, darling. Okay. I like that. The red. All the different type canaries. Look at that. See? Makikita nyo, they come in different colors. Ganda ng orange, oh. Bili-bili daw kami. Ang ganda ng orange. All this, darling? Oh my God. Yeah. Look at all of them. All of this? Yeah. Which one to buy? I think I like. Ang ganda no, yung yellow na may ito na may ganun black sa kanyang katawan. Darin yun, no? Yan. Gusto ko yan. Yan. Magkano ba isa nito? Naku, ang mahal naman. Ang mahal naman. Grabe. Ayun, maganda rin yung orange na yun. Ang mamahal naman, gabi. $90 isa. I'm not sure if I'm gonna, I think I should get male and female. Uy, ang ganda nitong orange. Ayan o. Wait. What you wanna talk? You normally say hello. Huh, Bunny? Yeah. Hello. What you doing? What you doing? Yes. Beautiful. Oh, look at all this. They're beautiful. Look. Look at the ring neck. Gorgeous bird. Look at that. They're just so still. This bird can learn to talk. You can teach them. Turquoisine. So this is the one that my husband bought. Nasa cage na sa bahay, but I still haven't looked at it. I haven't actually checked it yet. Beautiful bird. Our finches. Yan, marami kami nito. Ang cute, ang gaganda. Look at all that. Watching birds is so relaxing. Hi, hello. I didn't notice you are there. There you are. You're the inquisitive one. Gorgeous. Pinches. These are females because the one with the dark purple is male. I learned that from my hubby. Giant. Macau ba tawag dito? Hello. They look so relaxed. Look at that. Oh, my dinosaur. Oh my God. How much they charge for this? $1,650. Guys, tignan nyo, meron pa sila yung lion at saka tignan nyo. Oh. Pagdating ka niyan. Ano nga kaya kung ganyan, oh? Ang laki. Oh, kainin ang ulo mo niyan. May gorilla, may cheetah, may panther. Mahal din yung mga yan, ano? Yan, frog.